the spirits that have died and trying. When will this ever end, or will this just begin again? The voices never cease, never have, so never will be. Sometimes I seriously think, what the fuck happened to me? I mean, which thing was the worst? Is of curses to disperse this absurdness. But as I reminisce, it just gets way worse, with a new curse that disperses. Yeah, I play with words a bit, but maybe you can comprehend this shit at least a little bit. Explains why some of the realists be bumping this, cause it isn't a cry for fame. This is true insane, and then this is without playing games. Know the name, but I'm not the main to praise. I'm just another tortured soul trying to make it through nowadays. My brain hurts, what has happened to me? Damn, my brain hurts, what has happened to me? Damn, my brain hurts, what has happened to me? Damn, my brain hurts, what has happened to me? I lost grip on my grasp, cause of my pain from my past. But I'm trying to hold on, but the pain is too strong. I got no one I can talk to, everybody including you. Everybody done gave up, praying for my soul as I lay here stuck. Army call to find sunlight, just another 24-hour night. I've lost grip of wrong and right, my candle ain't looking so bright. I think it might ignite again, but who knows, I may not win, and then it gets worse. I wouldn't doubt it, that's the story of my life. That's why I'm driving the hearse to the dirt to flirt